In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Affinity Designer. If you've finished a design and you're ready to see it on paper, this walkthrough will take you from your canvas to a clean, predictable print. Make sure your document is open in Affinity Designer and that your printer is turned on and connected. We'll work entirely inside the app's built-in print dialog so you can control size, layout, and quality without surprises. Start by going to the top left of your screen and opening the File menu. From there, choose Print. That opens the print window, and this is where all the important choices live. Think of it as your final checkpoint before the job goes to your printer. At the top, select a profile or preset if you have one. Profiles help you reuse preferred settings for things like paper type and scaling. If you're printing on specialty paper or using a particular printer driver setting, saving or choosing the right profile helps keep results consistent. Next, pick your printer from the printer dropdown. Confirm the paper size in the printer's settings matches the paper you've actually loaded. This avoids unwanted scaling or margins. Enter the number of copies you need. For test runs, a single copy is a smart way to verify everything looks right before committing to a larger batch. Choose the page range you want to print. If your document has multiple artboards or pages, you can print all of them or just a specific range. If you only need a particular section, use the range option to keep waste down. Set the fit type. Actual size is ideal when you need precise dimensions. Make sure your document size matches the paper size for that. Scale to fit is useful if you just want the whole design on the page without clipping. You can also enter a custom scale percentage if you need a specific reduction or enlargement. Keep an eye on the live preview to confirm nothing important is being cropped. Under Include, check options relevant to your output. If your document has bleed and your printer can print close to the edge, include bleed and, if needed, printer's marks like crop marks to guide trimming. If you're printing a draft, you can leave those off for a cleaner sheet. Choose the orientation, portrait, or landscape to match your layout. If your printer offers quality or color options in this dialog, pick settings that match your paper and intended use. Higher quality takes longer but looks better. When everything looks good in the preview, click OK to send the job to your printer. That's all there is to it. Simple, controlled, and ready to go.